We're approaching industry differently than we have in the past.
It's military and the private sector, all of us working together to build a better future.
AFWERX has grown from a visionary startup to an innovative ecosystem.
Innovation is in our DNA. We can all contribute to make our Air Force better. And that's something that AFWERX really represents.
You know, traditionally the idea is the Air Force, DoD brings money and we buy something, and that's our value proposition. I think we have a different approach here with AFWERX, where we have a partnership so that it's not several years of maturing technology, but together you're creating that market at the same time that you're creating the technology. AFWERX should be a fantastic partner to anyone who is interested in contributing to the national security of our country, of creating great things.
Of last year, we weren't even developing or making helmets.
Now we're ready to fly them.
To go through a process where it's very open for contracting, to leverage OTAs and other vehicles to quickly get in, that's just a huge benefit to a small company like ours.
This cross-pollination that happens with our Sparks, I think it just opens the aperture of possibilities.
Allow airmen to be entrepreneurs, celebrate our innovation heroes, and just make it a more innovative force for all of us.
We've had over 15,000 airmen join. There have been over 2,500 ideas, and airmen are turning their ideas into real projects.
The Spark team is there for the airmen, using tools like Idea Scale to try and elevate solutions for airmen.
Spark is for everyone in the Air Force and Space Force, regardless of your rank, whether you're active duty, reserves, or a guardsman like me. You just have to be willing to try. And we have a large network of innovators across the US and abroad who are here to help. It's the talent and passion of our service members that is the key to drive innovation within our Air Force and Space Force.
It's so rewarding when you get airmen coming into AFWERX Vegas. We show them that what they're trying to do is possible.
That's the creation of a market. That is that commercialization that takes good ideas for them, turns it into revenue, for us, turns it into capability.
And we can't do it without you.
AFWERX, or AFVentures, is the commercial investment arm of the Department of the Air Force.
For us, it's about the development of the technology. So the one big difference I like to tell companies is that we don't fund the company, we fund the project or the program. We want corporate growth, but we do it to scale the technology from an early stage idea into a later stage product that we can buy.
AFVentures is that open door to those non-traditional commercial innovators that are out there, and the ability to bring those commercial innovators into our Department of the Air Force to help create solutions.
AFVentures has a variety of tools that we use to bring commercial technology into the department.
Because we don't say yes to a specific idea, it doesn't mean you shouldn't pitch a new idea.
But we're also personally invested in these programs. We're personally invested in the Air Force.
You're going to see airmen in flying cars in the next year. People are doing manned flight tests in their backyard. That's just different.
Bottom line, AFWERX is really about thinking of commercial innovation itself as a battlefield that the military has to treat seriously.
Specifically, Agility Prime is about taking an exciting new technology of electric vertical takeoff and landing and helping us fly orbs into a new era of aerospace. And that's the first one off the bat.
We can all contribute to make our Air Force better.
In our world, we don't have to have everything completely planned out to know exactly how it's going to end. Let's try it and see where it goes.
If you have an idea or a concept in industry and you want to pitch the Air Force on how that idea can impact our missions, can make national defense stronger, better, we are the place for you to come pitch your idea.
We really want to empower that entrepreneur out there to get on the AFWERX team. We want to get on the entrepreneurs team. Again, that partnership, that teamwork, that is what we are trying to create.
Showing people that they can have an effect on the missions and the people around them is probably one of our most compelling value statements.